Good morning from Jakarta. I'm currently staying in this hotel, Puri Maju. If you guys saw my original hotel video, you saw that I had to leave that last hotel because it was terrible. But yeah, this hotel is more on like a smaller street. You know, we got like kind of reminds me a little bit of Manila, these small streets. But it leads out into a very like big highway. So I am about to order a Grab bike and take a bike over to get some breakfast. It is early morning. The city is already bustling and booming, and I want to show you guys a certain Indonesian breakfast that they have. I saw this place close to that other hotel that I booked. So I'm going to show you this place, and the guy was really nice. I asked him if I can come make a video, and honestly I'm craving it. It's like a Roti Prata type of thing, but more Indonesian and Singapore style. So I'm gonna take you guys there. Plus he's famous for it in Jakarta. He's been around for a while. I'll get his whole story once we're there, but I'm about to book this Grab, and I'll show you guys some scenes along the way, because it is daytime and we can do that. But this is the street that I'm staying on. It's a nice little small street. Alrighty guys, so I booked the Grab just so you can see. It's just like it was when I showed you in the Philippines if you watched my videos. It's a very easy application to use. He's on his way. From you can see the bike is on his way. I'm here. So I'm going about 3 kilometers, and I'm paying about 14,000, which is not even $1 to take this bike. So getting around here is very cheap if you use the bike. Also, I love using the bike just because it's like you get to see everything. You know, I mentioned it before when I was using the bike in that night market video. It's like the best way to see the city quickly. I mean, the best way is walking, but also taking a bike is you're in open air, getting that breeze. Alrighty guys, so this is my ride. We are taking a Honda. It's a nice bike. You gotta put on your helmet. Grab helmet. I know it does mess up my hair, but you know, I gotta do it. Because around here people drive crazy. Plus, that's the law, I think. But definitely does mess up the hair, you know? So, we are riding through the streets of Jakarta. I love this. It's like my favorite thing to do, is get on a bike. Oh God, getting bumpy, getting bumpy. Make sure you hold on to the bike or else you might fall off. Look how close we are to this rickshaw here. Saturday, so you can see it's kind of busier than usual. Everybody's out and about, even though it's the morning. There's like 100 bikes trying to fit through this little narrow space. Gotta make sure your legs don't get hit. Look at all the people. Alrighty guys, so my hair got so messed up on the bike that I just decided to just put on my copia. But here's the place. It's called Martabak, Kari Palembang, or that's the guy, Abdul Razak. So let's go in. Assalamualaikum. Apa kabar?
Alhamdulillah baik.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Abdul Razak here?
Abang ada belum datang?
Oh? He went up? Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, guys, this is the place. The name of it is right here, Martabak. This is the nama restaurant?
Yeah.
This one, right? Yeah, Martabak Kari Haji Abdul Razak. So I'm gonna order I think, so they have Martabak, they have Roti Canai, Prata, Mi Selor, and Nasi Kabuli. But I think I'm gonna do Prata. Assalamualaikum. Can I have one Prata? Prata, yeah. This is Indonesian Prata, right?
Prata dari mana? Prata Singapura.
Singapore. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I will try one Prata with
Ayam.
Ayam?
Ayam.
Ayam, yeah. So I'm gonna get one Prata with chicken curry. Can I show how you make it? Can I show how you make? Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys how they make the Prata. I ordered one Prata. Assalamualaikum, brother.
Ya Pak, saya Bu.
He's smashing the flour now.
Iya. Kuahnya bau udang. Iya.
Sorry, brother. Flipping it. Look at that, guys. Look at how he spread that out. Wow, that's a lot. And then takes it. Take some egg, some salt, pepper, and something else. I don't know. Put some onions on it. Fold it up. He's going to throw it on the pan. As we see. And then this guy, sorry brother. He's gonna toast it up in here.
Oh enggak ada.
So you are the chef. You are the chef? Who's the chef? Everybody. So see, he's pressing it against the pan to heat it up. Look at that, guys. It looks amazing.
Stop!
What's your name, brother?
Nasikin.
Nasikin. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Abdul Razak come?
Belum datang.
Sini Pak, datang, belum datang deh.
5 minutes?
Jam
1 Pak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to talk to Abdul Razak because he is actually the owner of this restaurant, and I wanted to get him on video to explain his story a little bit. So yeah, guys, it's about to heat it up. So it's pretty much done now. I think then they cut it up. What's this?
Mata bahar.
Mata bahar.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's somebody
Khas
else's.
Palembang.
So now they're chopping it all up. That's what gives it that paratha, the Singapore traditional kind of paratha here. So guys, this is what the kitchen looks like. They got about 1, 2, 3 cooks. And two guys preparing things over here. Hello, brother.
Hello.
Salam alaikum. Alrighty, guys. So let's show you the inside of the restaurant because the food is done now. I think they're gonna bring it in. So this is what the inside of the restaurant looks like. I actually came here before, and this is actually Mr. Abdul Razak. He's the owner of the restaurant. He has like a really cool story. He used to live in Saudi Arabia, actually, as you can see. He's in a sheikh outfit here. If he comes back, I would like to talk to him and maybe get a few words from him about the restaurant. But apparently he's been here for a long time, so I'm very interested to, and I want to show you guys. But this picture is actually from 1983. I guess that was around the time when they first opened. Oh, yeah, thank you. Alrighty, so here we are, guys. We have the paratha. So, and this is the chicken. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick taste test before I absolutely demolish this food because I'm hungry. And what better breakfast than this, guys? I mean, what else could you ask for here? Look at this. Look at that chicken with the curry. I know it's a bit intense for breakfast, but hey, you know. And then you have this paratha. So this is different than, so in Pakistani culture we also have paratha, but this is a little bit different the way they crush it up. We usually have it as like one flat bread, but see, they crush it up. You got the onions, and then all the spices that they put on it in the inside. So let me give you guys a quick taste test. Alrighty, so here we have it. So you're supposed to take the paratha. Ooh, it's hot. And take some chicken. Ooh, it's hot. You give it a second. It's pretty hot. Alrighty, guys, take two. Now it's not as hot. So you take the paratha and you dip it into the chicken and sauce and curry. Take a nice big bite. So you can see, there it is. Oh my god. It doesn't matter how many times I eat this, I'm gonna have the same reaction every time. It's absolutely amazing. Amazing. The curry is like an explosion of flavors. And the paratha is so like soft, but the onions give it a little bit of a crunch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, when you come to Jakarta, you have to try this place. There's a reason he's been here over 30 years, you know? Businesses don't last that long unless the food is good. Especially restaurants, you know? It's a local spot. Not a lot of tourists here and stuff, but it's amazing. So I'll give you a quick, just dip it in the curry as well. You don't even need to take the chicken. I'm in heaven. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, I absolutely cleared that food up, and that was really fast. Probably only took me like 5 minutes. I was so hungry, but that was amazing. The last time I came here, I actually tried the Roti Canai, also very good. But this paratha might be a little bit better. I love the onions inside of the paratha. It's like with every bite you get some onions, and I love onions, so I really enjoyed that. Plus the curry is just on point. You know, between the cloves and the cardamom and the turmeric and everything, there's just like so much flavors within that curry. The chicken was good too, but honestly I could eat that curry alone, to be honest. I'm going to see if maybe Abdul Razak is going to come back. If not, I gotta go because I got some work to do, but I would love to just ask him a few questions. But I'm gonna find out how much this is and I will let you guys know. And amazing. Very good, very good. As usual. Berapa? Berapa?
Oh, berapa?
5.000 rata ayam. Berapa? Tulis.
7.
Yes.
70.
5.000-nya mana Bang Usul?
70,000. Okay. 70,000 guys. So that's like a little bit more than $4. Here is 50 and 20, brother.
Okay, thank you.
Makasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Okay, thank you. I will take my bag. Okay, guys, so we are out of here. Alrighty, that was a great breakfast. Great people. Abdul Razak, no? Today? No? Okay. So this is the final look at the restaurant, guys. They have a little outdoor seating area as well. But I went inside. And thank you, brother. Shukran. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. Restaurant nama, this one, right?
Yeah.
Martabak, Kari, Haji Abdul Razak. Okay. Thank you, brother. Alright, guys, so we are done here. That was an amazing meal, guys. Now 70,000, just to give you a quick estimation, or actually exactly 70,000 divided by like 15.4, I think the rate is right now. So yeah, I paid about $4.50 for that meal. So I had a water, I had a water, the chicken curry, and the paratha, as you saw, for $4.50. I mean, it's a bit expensive, I'm not gonna lie, compared to like yesterday. I got that daging meat. If you saw my or no, I don't know if I made a video of that, but yesterday I got a meal, some nasi daging, which is like beef rice. I mean, granted the meal was smaller, but I paid like 20,000, so like a little bit more than $1. So I mean, I would say that this is probably a little bit more expensive than I'd expect, but the food is so good and he's famous in here, so I guess he can charge the premium. And as you saw, it's early morning and the restaurant was full, so just goes to show, when you're doing it right, people will come and people will pay. So yeah, guys, that is the place that you should visit. I think I gave you enough information about it. It's in the Roxy, West Jakarta area. Assalamu alaikum. It's in the Roxy, West Jakarta area of Jakarta. So when you come here, I would definitely stop there, get yourself either a martabak, a paratha, a Roti Canai. All of it is good, so you cannot go wrong with any of it. But with that being said, guys, I have to go do some work now. You know, you think this life of a vlogger is just me walking around making videos, but I spend a lot of my time in front of the computer editing, uploading, you know, writing, all of that fun stuff. So Assalamu alaikum.
My name is Indonesian.
Indonesian.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. But yeah, man, it's not all fun and games. But when you love something enough, it does become fun. I love sitting in front of the computer and editing, even though it's like I spend 5-6 hours at a time staring at the screen. You know, I enjoy it. And after a great breakfast like that, I have so much energy. I'm ready to go. But anywho, guys, remember, continue to learn, continue to grow, and there is no growth until you leave your comfort zone. Oh my gosh, I'm so full. Until you leave your comfort zone. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.